Hi everyone, colleagues. I'd like to give a brief overview of how to use the TagWithAI website to describe images in JPEG or PNG format. We're planning to add support for vector files and video in the near future. The service helps generate keywords, titles, and descriptions for files uploaded to stock platforms, or for any other purposes you may need. After you register and create an account, you get 20 free image credits to use. The free trial lasts 1 month. That's the so-called free package, during which you can describe up to 20 images. Of course, 20 images isn't much, so if you like the service, you can purchase one of the paid plans. For example, the basic plan costs €7 for 500 files, and the optimum plan costs €9 for 1,000 files. If you've reached your file limit but your subscription is still active, you can upgrade to a higher tier plan. Alternatively, instead of subscribing, or once your credits run out, you can purchase long-term credits. These credits are valid for a full year. They cost a bit more, but the advantage is that you're not tied to a subscription. Now let me show you how to use the service after registering. You go to the dashboard. On the left side, you'll find 3 main buttons you'll need. You can open and close this panel by clicking the icon. Everything starts with uploading images, so let me go to the upload section and select a few images to demonstrate how the process works. I choose the images, click Open, and the upload starts. You can upload up to 500 images at once, but while the site is in beta testing, I recommend uploading no more than 200 images at a time to avoid possible errors, although lately there have been no such issues. You'll see the upload process in progress. After the upload is complete, the system will automatically redirect you to the keywording tool page. Sometimes there's a short delay. You may see that the images are uploaded, but nothing is happening. Just wait a few seconds, and you'll be taken to the keywording tool, the page where the describing process happens, meaning the system will assign keywords, titles, and descriptions to your images. Take a look at the keywording tool page. There are now 26 images ready for description. Let's start by selecting 2 images, the first and the second. Once at least one image is selected, new buttons will appear at the top. You can delete selected images, start the description process, or select, deselect all. I manually select 2 images and click Describe Selected. Note that during the describing process, the original metadata will be removed. The new metadata generated by the AI after analyzing the images will be embedded into the file. Alternatively, you can also download a CSV file if you're familiar with that format and work with it. So I click Describe Selected, and the settings window opens. At the bottom of the settings window, you'll see 2 buttons. I'll now click on Describe by default. This means the process will run using the default AI settings for the number of tags, characters in the description, and title. The default description usually generates around 45 keywords. Let's read the generated description. Mature man working on laptop in modern office environment, focused on task, showcasing productivity and creativity in professional setting, remote work concept. An adult man working on a laptop in a modern office environment, focusing on the task, demonstrating productivity, creativity, professional atmosphere, and the concept of remote work. Relevant keywords have also been added. The most relevant ones that describe the image are placed in the top 10 as required by Adobe Stock. Keywords like man, laptop, office, work, productivity, creativity, all of these are taken from the title or description and placed at the top.